Hey students, what I'm going to show you how to do now is how to use a image editing screencast. So the website I used was Screencast-O-Matic, and after that I'm going to show you how I edited an image of myself to create an anime. So we're going to go over here, we're going to go to PowerPoint, and then once we get on PowerPoint we're going to start a new blank presentation, and then we're going to open up some pictures. So we're going to go to new slide, we're going to get two contents. We are going to choose this website, or we're going to choose this picture. I'm going to insert it into here. I'm going to take this picture, and I'm going to insert, I have to find it now, it should be under us, users, downloads. And we're going to take this picture, we're going to make this smaller, and we're going to bring it right over here. Once we have this picture where we want it settled, I'm going to go and use my snipping tool, which ever since I downloaded it has been one of my favorites on the computer. We're going to create a new snip. We're just going to make a little snip right here, and once we do this, look at this, we have our own picture of me with a fireball in my hands. I'm going to save this as anime snip, and then that's all you got to do.